record. Press the wrong one. Sorry about that, folks. Yeah, so all castaways. I just pressed the wrong button on the record. Yeah, fishing tonight with the Daiwa HPB and the 7HT with blacklog and prawn, squid. I got here earlier on, it was raining, so I've got the bivvy up at the moment. I've got Gareth Hodge with me tonight. It's just on the flood at the moment, so usually it fishes like here about an hour before, an hour after high tide, which is around 10:30. So yeah, I've got my little torch on tonight. I've not brought my lamps with me because too much to carry. I've just cast it out now. I've only been in the water about 5 minutes, so we'll see how we're going tonight. But yeah, we're after an hound or a bass. Anyway, I'll put you on the rod and I'll be back with you shortly. I'm just going to have a cup of coffee. Hope you can see the rod okay. Hope everything's alright and the picture's okay. I say there's Gareth there up in front. Not been in the water long, about 5 minutes, that's all. The wind's died down a bit as well now. It was a bit windy before and the rain's blown over, which is a godsend. I might should get a little bit of a picture before on the sunset, which I'll put on. But yeah, I did try going live, but the signal's on and off down here for some reason, so I don't want to keep stopping and starting with the stream. You know, there's nothing nicer than this, you know, stream stopping every minute and then you've got to turn it on again and start it again. So I'm going to do this video and put it up on the YouTube channel, Hounds Castaways.
Come on, good girl.
I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Vern Sea Fishing and Brett Sea Fishing, Brett Fishing Diaries. Two good channels as well. So yeah, fingers crossed we'll either get an hound or a dogfish or a bass. Fingers crossed. Say we're just fishing it on the flood now, so we'll be back in a bit. Just having me cup of coffee. Well, as I say before, it was raining. When we got here, I put my bivvy up. I'm under my bivvy at the moment. And I'll put this, I'll have to put this video on instead of a live. I do apologise. It is good to be out again. Still not 100%, but it's good to be out and do a bit of fishing for a change. So I'll put you on the rod, and just see if anything happens. So if I get anything, then I'll come back to you all. I hope you enjoy it. Like I say, I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, it'd be much appreciated. And many more to come hopefully soon. I'm just waiting on my new rod and reel to come, and then I'll be out again. A couple of things to sort out first. But yeah, like I say, I'm using the old HPB tonight, Daiwa HPB 12'2", and the old 7HT, Daiwa 7HT. So we get something soon. It's got a bit chilly tonight. It's not as warm as what it has been. It's got a bit chilly. I've got my big coat on at the moment. I'm just having my cup of coffee. So yeah, fingers crossed. Let's hope we can get something. Gareth's just sorted his tip light out. The battery had gone. I had a spare one in my box. I'll just give him. If that picture's okay, or it's going to be okay, I'll see if I can zoom it out a bit. There we go. If that's going to be any better. It's just, there is a bit too much zoom on the camera. If I can get that right, should be a bit better. So yeah, fingers crossed we'll get a decent fish tonight with a bit of luck. Tides are the beginning of the ice this week. Tonight, 28, they'll start to go up again this week. Usually the big fish come through, bass usually come through on the first high tides or beginning of the high tides. I know there's been fish caught down here. They've had smooth hound and ray. The bass has been caught as well. So yeah, I'm hoping we'll get something. Something will come out. Just hope the picture's okay and everybody can see the picture. Thanks everybody that's been sending me messages to get well soon. Much appreciated. I have been poorly with this chest infection and lungs and stuff. I'm still not 100%, but hopefully I'll be getting there now with this new medication that I'm on. As Gareth mentioned about going fishing, get some fresh air, so it might do you a world of good. So hence that's why I've come out. Give it a go. I'll say it's good to be out again. I have got a few more casting lessons as well coming up soon. They'll be on the channel. So I'm hoping you can watch them and leave a comment. So I can't wait to get my new rod and reel, and then I'll be out myself again. I'm going to do a video on the field and do a bit of a commentary on it. Coughs on and off. So yeah, I can't wait to get the new rod and reel. Hopefully it's going to be soon. And I'll say I'll go out, I'll do a video on it and see how it performs. Well, slight little taps at the minute on the rod. Probably crabby because I'm in the channel at the moment. I'm fishing right in the channel in front of us. I was told about this spot a few weeks ago. I usually fish further up the top end. I come further down tonight where the channel's moved. It's completely different here now to where it used to be. So I'll come a bit further down tonight, so near where the end of the channel finishes, so fingers crossed we'll get something. That's good, isn't it?
£5.38.
Hey?
£5.38.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Well.
Teamu.
Yeah?
It's all cheap shit.
I've got to get mine done. I'm going to go and see Mick and get another done for myself.
Got 3 hoodies and a t-shirt delivered from China, £23.40 something.
That's alright, isn't it? Yeah. He's just showing me, Gareth's just been showing me his hoodie. Funny. Oh yeah, I'll just put you back on the rod. I've just had a couple of taps, but not much to shout about. So the picture's alright. I've got me torch on it best I can for y'all. You can see the tip and everything. Just had a couple of taps on it, only slight. Probably crab or something like that. Little clippers are at it on the bait. Open the lugworm tonight, oh my god, I've seen better days. But I've put it on, I've put like 4 at a time on each hook with some fresh prawns at bought. I already had some prawns in the freezer which I brought with me, but I'll get another packet of fresh just to be on the safe side. I'm talking to a guy down here earlier on, he was saying that it's been packed down here the last few weeks, people fishing. I think a lot of them have been the holiday makers where the kids have been off school. I know there's a few come down from the caravan parks over the back at Thornton. You know, do a bit of fishing while they're here, while they're on holiday. Hey, I don't know, there's always something. But it's a new phone, I'm still getting used to the phone at the minute. So everything's new to me at the moment. Anyway, I'm going to do my best, see what I can do for everybody. See if I can get the tide on for you just coming in. It's just there on the edge at the minute. It's because I've got this torch on, but it's just there, the edge of the water. It should be in any time soon. I'm in the water anyway at the minute. Let's say I put it in on low water. Let's just get this back on there again. There we go. I'll just try getting the tide on. It's not far off us. It's about what, 7 yards out in front of us now. It's on the flood. And I put it in on low water in the channel just to see if anything comes through. Oh yeah, it's good to be out again. Sorry about the cough. Well, the bait I've had, and I opened it tonight and it's like mush. So I just put about 4 worms on, 3-4 worms on each hook. I've got one bait up there ready on a trace. There's plenty of time yet. Like I say, don't use your fish here till an hour before, an hour after, when they start coming on. So much last time. And I'm fishing, like I said earlier, further down this time because all the channels moved. So we can always see. I'll put you back on the rod for a minute. I'm just going to tighten my line up because my line's going to look a bit slack. I'll put you back on the rod. There we go. That's been in the water now, about 20 minutes. I'll get it in a bit and get a fresh one out. And, try and get a cast on for you as well. If I can, I'm a bit restricted here at the moment with the bivvy. Put my bivvy on the side of my basket on the side of bivvy before because it nearly took off. And that picture should be okay. Hopefully. There we go. Sorry about the cough in the chest. So yeah, it's good to be out. Good to be out. Might do me a world of good, this fresh air. There's some more lads fishing further down to my left. And a little bit of a bullnose there in front. Somebody told me about this a couple of weeks back to come down this send. That's where most of them have been caught. So I thought I'd give it a try. Well, yeah, I think them taps before, I think they were just crab. Never know. Say further down, there's people further down fishing. There's about 4 or 5 of them down there on the bullnose. Look at bullnose in front of us. I've had a walk down before. I mean, I used to fish it round there, round the corner from there years ago. There used to be a big deep pool there. Like I say, everything's changed. The sand and everything's changed. The channels that used to be in front of us have all moved. But it's fun to come out of there. Keep my eye on it. Don't want it dropping on the floor. They don't go mad at me if I smash this. She just bought it for me. And the other one went, the screen went funny on it. Yeah, I just had a bit of a snack with me biscuits and a cup of coffee. In fact, I'm going to have another cup of coffee now. What I want to do after these wee all night. Cheers everyone. I did have a puff on my inhaler earlier on. Brought that with me as well. Just got to keep it with me all the time. Eventually. I did have a puff on that before. Keep getting a slight tap on it. And when I came before, there was a lot of weed on the steps in front of us. So whether they've been weeded out the last couple of nights, I don't know. But there was a hell of a lot of weed. So whether there's weed coming through tonight, I have no idea. I'll soon see. When I bring this one in, I'm going to bring it in soon. I can get this other fresh bait on. Get that out and see where we'll go from there. Somebody has come up in a car. We could have brought 8 cars up here if I'd have known. Someone's parked with a car at the top. We could have parked on here, but knowing my luck, I'd come on with a car and probably get a parking ticket. So it's not worth it. I'm only just show you. I'm here, I'm fishing. Let me turn the camera around. I'm fishing here. And the car is just there. There's Gareth's van. So I just come over that little wall and I'm fishing here. Which is ideal. I've not got far to walk. Which is a godsend. Oh, that coffee's nice. I should have brought a bottle of water with me and all. My throat gets very dry. especially with the inhalers and everything. Let's say 20 minutes, 25 minutes. I'll get this one in a moment and put a fresh one out and get it out. And that's dropped right in the channel, the one that I've got on at the moment, but I know the first hour or so on the flood, usually crabs come through and peck away at your bait, take your bait off, and there's nothing on when you reel in. It's usually after the flood, an hour after the flood, they start to come through. And I've got 3 holes on tonight as well, Sakuma Mantas 3 holes. £70 rig body, £30 studs, spring loaded pennels on the splashdowns. I've got £15 main line on tonight, Daiwa main line, Daiwa sensor, with a tapered shot leader on. There's something pulling at that, it could be weed. Daiwa tournament, not Daiwa tournament, I saw tapered leader, sorry, £16 to £70. Something keeps having a little tug at it. I think it could be either weed that's going through on that channel in front, or it's crab. So I'm going to get this one in a minute. I'm going to send this fresh one out and see where we go from there. So I'll be back with everybody soon. It won't be long.
Open 7 till 9 on Tuesday.
stop them.
Not far.
Well, I'm going to stop them.
I'll snap you then.
Yeah. That magnet's not in the right place. Definitely not. Needs to be moved over. Needs to be moved over the magnet.
Full of oil.
Yeah, I'll have to get a round file, just got the old bigger and move it more this way away from the spool. It's catching the spool. And if I wind it off a little bit, it wants to run too fast and it's ready for snapping and flipping. Can you see it? So, I don't know if you got that cast on camera or not. I need to sort this reel out, it's running a bit fast. When I put the magnets on, it's catching the spool slightly, so it needs adjusting. Anyway, back with it very soon. I'm just going to bait up this hook. Bye for now, bye.